G'day, welcome to your practice. I'm Amanda and here I am in beautiful downtown Biara near Esk, and we are going to do a standing practice here. Hopefully you can see me, and you may need, there's a lot of dogs around here, you may need a strap, but you don't need one. If you haven't got one, don't worry about it too much. We'll work with whatever you've got. So to begin with, just standing comfortable hip distance apart, and just take a moment here to check in. Check in with your body, how you're feeling. This is a practice that is going to help to open up and expand your chest, maybe capacity to breathe and deepen your breath. It'll also invigorate those lung points, which are really helpful when we're suffering, say, from cold or flu, that kind of thing, or we've got a bit of a chesty cough. That I've had something like that recently, so that might be helpful. Now the other thing, sorry, there was someone coming and I just had to have a sticky nose. So the other thing, no, you don't need anything else. All right, so let's stand comfortable hip distance apart and take a moment to have a look around your own environment, wherever you are. Take an inhale and an exhale, and then just start to bounce. And do a bounce that feels comfortable to you, and just let your arms swing naturally. So this is just to mobilize the body. So often when we're feeling unwell, we don't really feel like moving too much, but sometimes movement, a little bit of movement can be helpful. So this is just a little bit of movement. It'll help to deepen your breath a little bit, and then when you're ready, just start to swing your arms side to side. And as you swing, so these are arm swings for health, these are lubricating the spine, and this is helping us to really settle into our environment wherever we are. I'm so lucky to be here. This is the third time that we've been here. It's just beautiful here. And yesterday, hopefully I can put the footage that I got yesterday of the peacocks dancing down here, and then bring that back to center and do some hip and shoulder rolls. So we're rolling one hip and one shoulder up and then the other. So just a little side to side to lubricate the shoulders, the hip joints. You know, sometimes the body gets pretty achy when we're suffering from cold and flu. Oh my God, it's so beautiful here. There's leaves dropping off trees. There's a wind blowing through. I hope that doesn't mean that there's rain coming, because we have had some rain. And then bring that back to center. And then from here, this is where you'll need the strap. So we are going to take the strap behind us. We're going to hold on to the strap. So my straps may be a meter long, meter wide. And we're going to take that behind us and just take one foot forward, other foot back. We're not doing a huge lunging movement here, just a little one. So from here we're going to take an inhale and draw your arms back. See how that's broadening through those points up and around the collarbones, which are the start of the lung line in traditional Chinese medicine. And then exhale and come back to center. Inhale, deepen into this really small lunge, and exhale. One more, inhale, and exhale. Good. You don't need that anymore. And notice how that feels through your shoulders. Now let's do another little movement to add to that movement. So here our stance is a little bit wider. So let's start with right leg in front, left leg back. So a bit of a pyramid pose. Inhale And exhale and get nice and firm. Train tracks legs so your feet are quite wide. And from here we're going to inhale, bend the right knee and create cactus arms. So we've got cactus arms here. Inhale, open the chest, and then exhale and float the arms down and come back to center. Inhale, and then exhale, and then one more. And exhale. Maybe let's try that on the other side. So take the left foot forward, right foot back, because we're for the last movement in this sequence, we do need to have lubricated our knees just a tad. So from here it's an inhale, bend the left knee, open up in cactus, and then exhale. And just deepen to where you feel comfortable. So don't go too deep, especially if you're feeling quite lethargic and fatigued. Just do what you can. Inhale and exhale. One more. Inhale. Broaden through the chest, invigorate the lungs, and then exhale. Good. And then maybe shake that out. Just have a little shake. And so from here, we're going to take our feet wide. This is the last little movement of this practice. And it's called open the bow as though shooting the buzzard. Just wanted to get that right. This is a Qigong move. It's very gentle. It's very nice. And we're going to be activating the end of that lung line. So we're going to be opening up and creating this shape with our hands. Yeah. So we're going to inhale and roll our forearms in toward one another. That's the inhale. And then exhale, we're going to bend the knees and imagine that we've got an arrow. We're holding the arrow on that little point as though to shoot the buzzard. That's your exhale. So inhale, come back to center. And then exhale, try it to the other side. Now for me at the moment, I feel like I want to go a little bit wider. So you could even do it with your feet here. So just do what feels right for you. Turn the toes out slightly. Inhale, legs straight and long. And then exhale, let's try it to the left again. Get to the end of the exhale. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhaling here. Exhale, look through where you're shooting your arrow, where you're headed toward health and radiance. Inhale, one more each way. Exhale. Last one, inhale here. And exhale. Inhale, come all the way back. Heel toe or step your feet in. Exhale, float the hands down, releasing what you don't need anymore. Inhale your arms up and around you in a big circle. And exhale, float all that renewed, invigorated prana down into your body. And place your hands on your lower dantian. And feel. Tune in. You might close your eyes for a moment. And sense into a smooth, easy, gentle breath. Take a deep breath in through both of your nostrils. and exhale out of your mouth. So there we are. Thank you so much. I have a little quote for you. It's from Hippocrates, who said, "There is one common breathing, one common flow." So I hope that practice serves you well. Have a great day or night wherever you are. Namaste. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and follow me on social media. Thanks so much for being here. Bye for now.